Hi, thank you for visiting my channel, The Queen Phoenix. Today's pattern is called the long wave pattern. It's a very beautiful pattern, very easy to make. It's worked in rows and you can see it's waves, actual little waves. So let's make this. For this pattern, you will require a foundation chain of a multiple of 14. So plus 2. So I'm going to do 28 plus 2, which is 30. Make a slip stitch, slip knot, and make your required amount of chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That's your 30. So you can decide whether you want to work in the front or in the back humps of your chain. The first row you're going to go in immediately and start increasing. So skip the first chain. In the next chain, which is the second chain, 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 chain. So skip one single crochet, and in the next one you're also going to make 1 single crochet. 1/2 a double crochet in each of the next 2 chain stitches. In the next 2, you're going to make 2 chain, you're going to make 1 double crochet. Let's do that. That's 1. And here's your second one. In the next 3 chain, you're going to make 1 treble crochet. 1 treble in each of the next 3 chains. So that's 1, 2, 3. You can see I've increased. Now we're going to decrease. 1 double crochet in the next 2 chain. One half a double crochet in the next 2 chain. Oops, let me just put that right. That's supposed to be half. So there's the one and the second one. 1 single crochet in the next chain. Now we'll start on our repeat. 1 single crochet in the next 2 chain. 1/2 a double crochet in the next 2 chain. 1 double crochet in the next 2 chain. 1 treble in each of the next 3 chain. Now we decrease again. 1 double crochet in the next 2 chain. 1/2 a double crochet in the next 2 chain. In the last 2 single crochets, in the last 2 chain, you're going to make 1 single crochet in each of them. Chain 1 and turn your work. So this is how row 1 looks. Increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing to the end. Now for round 2, you're just going to single crochet in the first stitch and in every other stitch right across until you come to the end. So 1 single crochet in each stitch across until you get to the end. In your last stitch, make 1 single crochet row 2 is done. Row number 3, chain 3 and turn your work. Now at this stage you can decide if you are going to use a different color yarn, and that's what I want to do. So I'm going to take out those chain 3 and I'm going to take out the last single crochet, and I'm only going to make half of the single crochet. I'm going to take my color, which I am using banana. Yes, the color is actually banana. And I'm going to join it to the bottom of that stitch. Just make sure to have the tails to one side. Chain 3. This chain 3 counts as your first treble stitch. Now you're going to make 1 treble into the next stitch. Oops, 1 treble into your next stitch. You'll make 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. 1/2 a double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Now we're going to increase 1/2 a double crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1 treble in the next 3 stitches. Now let's do our repeat. 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1/2 a double crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. 1/2 a double crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. You will have 2 stitches left, and you will make 1 treble in each of those last 2 stitches. You will continue in this way, repeating row 1 and row 2 until you get to your desired length. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, hit like, turn on your notifications, subscribe. Most importantly, if you try this, please tag me in your video. I'd love to see what you're doing. This is the Queen Phoenix out.